My name is Magnus Young, and I'm the Chef de Cuisine and Culinary Manager at the Clif Family Winery and Bruschetteria Food Truck in St. Helena, California. The food truck can be found parked outside the Clif Family tasting room, and we serve a seasonally inspired menu with organic produce from our farm on Owl Mountain. Grilled lamb chops with watermelon molasses, sofrito, and polenta is a delicious dish that balances the richness of grilled lamb with the bright and fruity sweetness of watermelon molasses. Let's start with the watermelon molasses. First, break down a large seedless watermelon into chunks and remove any seeds. Puree the watermelon in a food processor. Strain through a fine mesh sieve over a receptacle and press gently on the solids for maximum extraction. Transfer the watermelon juice to a shallow pot and bring to a simmer over medium heat. Skim the surface and reduce the heat to a low simmer. Reduce the molasses by about 2/3, which takes about 4 hours depending on the pot used. Transfer the molasses into a smaller pot as it will prevent scorching around the sides. Simmer for about 1 more hour. The molasses is done when it has a thick, syrupy consistency and a dark burgundy color. The watermelon molasses has a lot of applications, from barbecue sauce, glazes for proteins, to desserts. Transfer to a sterilized mason jar or airtight container, cool and refrigerate. We're going to use this molasses to make our watermelon glaze. Mix all glaze ingredients together in a small bowl. Watermelon molasses, Dijon mustard, finely minced fresh thyme, garlic cloves, grated on a microplane, lemon juice, and olive oil. We'll use this glaze on our grilled lamb chops later. Watermelon pairs really well with savory ingredients, including proteins like lamb. This glaze would be delicious with chicken, fish, or even grilled vegetables. Now we'll move on to making a watermelon sofrito. To a sauté pan, add a ½ cup of olive oil and some finely minced shallots and poblanos. Sweat over medium-low heat. Add some toasted fennel seeds and Spanish paprika, and continue to sweat down until the mixture starts to stick to the pan. Add a pound of minced watermelon and reduce, stirring every couple of minutes until the mixture is thick. Watermelon familiarizes diners and can be an entryway to try global flavors like this sofrito. Adjust the seasoning with sherry vinegar and salt. Lastly, we'll grill the lamb chops. Preheat a grill or grill pan to high. Season each lamb chop liberally with salt and lightly coat with olive oil. Sear lamb chops until a golden brown crust is formed on all sides. Transfer to a sheet tray with a wire rack. Brush each lamb chop liberally with the watermelon glaze. Transfer to a 300-degree oven for 5 minutes or until the internal temperature of the lamb reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve lamb chops over a bed of watermelon sofrito and polenta. Garnish with chopped parsley and mint. Your guests will love the combination of savory and smoky lamb with sweet and fruity watermelon glaze, spiced watermelon sofrito, and creamy polenta. It makes a really beautiful entree.